Give me some time.
Sure.
Yeah. Now please follow. Madam, Hamida madam.
Yes, sir. I am
And
following, sir. Yes.
yeah, so please you follow. You go to you go up above. Para. Yeah. No. Slowly go below slowly. Oh, acha. For example, this is the first factor. Okay, madam. So the first factor you will find go below
First factor, yes.
0.80. That is the self-understanding.
Right,
And
sir.
resolute is 0.79. So you have to find out that what is the original score of the individual. Okay.
Right, sir.
And then you have to multiply the self-understanding score with this 0.80 plus the original score of resolute multiplied by 0.79. Again is the plus active. What is the original score of active multiplied by 0.74? So that is the weightage. So in this manner, you have to do. Again, this is the challenging 0.72. Yeah, so here you can find out what Farah has done.
Sir, can you please repeat once? Yeah.
Okay, Farah has done it.
Yes, sir.
So Farah, please you click it.
Yes, sir.
This
Yes, sir.
resilience factor score.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Resilience
So
factor
this
score.
is the thing. Please you follow.
Yes, sir.
This PC $148 self-understanding is the original data.
Right, sir.
Multiplied by 0.80.
Yes.
Plus, this is the original data multiplied by 0.58. Plus, original data of challenging multiplied by.
Or
So in this manner, the
all the
sum of
components.
all, yeah,
Sum of all.
that
Okay.
will be considered as your resilience factor score.
Yes. Okay. And Farah ma'am, can you go up that from where I am getting that 0.8?
Yes. 0.80, ma'am, here.
Oh, okay, self-understanding, right. So in this way, all the variables I have to like challenging, for all I have to multiply.
No, ma'am, not all, ma'am. Ma'am, in the first factor, you have to create one vector. So my vector was resilience factor. Resilience factor score is my vector. In that, I am taking values from RC1. Only those values I am taking जिनका above is 6.0 से above score है. So
Okay.
like you can see 0.80 is above 6.6, 73, 79, 74, 72 and 51 I'm not taking because 0.68 in the second factor.
Okay.
So ऐसे आपको second row में those values you have to take जिनका 6 से above है.
6, yeah.
हाँ, 0.6 से above है.
Above.
Okay, ma'am.
So from this RC1 and RC3, and none is in RC2. So I will take from this two.
Yeah, 0.86. You will take only doubtless. Yeah, doubtless.
Yeah. Okay. Got it.
Got it? Okay. And then after that, factor scores that sir is talking about, you have to do in this way. You have to create one vector, and in that vector, you have to do data framing, and you have to add all the multiply wala score, original score in that bracket. And you will get your factor score.
Okay.
So this is my factor score.
Now you write down box plot factor score.
Okay, sir.
3. Okay, madam, this is the result.
Yes, sir.
So here you can find out that is the resilience factor score that is higher in comparison with the self-regulation and the certainty.
Right, sir.
Okay, for that reason, both India and Bangladesh was able to cope up with the COVID.
Right.
Okay, because this resilience is very important variable.
Yeah, important outcome. Yeah.
Yeah. So now you can write down something.
On this. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, sir. This is helpful. But I can I do this in SPS, sir?
Yeah, you can do the same thing in SPSS, but only thing this factor score, again, you have to write down in the SPSS, that is by using the transform command.
Okay.
There is a transform, no? In SPSS, you
Yes,
can
sir.
use the transform,
Transform.
and
Yeah.
then you can, whatever
Multiply,
the
add and make
computation
the
that is
function.
possible.
Right.
There is a compute. Compute is the command.
Compute is the command, and then I have to multiply all and add all and
Yeah,
make
yeah.
factors. Right.
You can use SPSS, no problem,
Yes.
as you like.
I will
Only thing that is
try
you
it
have to
both,
prove
sir.
that you have done multivariate statistics project.
Right, sir.
It should not be the bivariate statistics or univariate. It should be the multivariate statistical project.
Right. But sir, my outcome variable just one variable. I mean, dependent is single variable. So, right, sir?
Now, when you are using SPSS, then you can check the, there you can check what is the factor score, because SPSS also provides factor score.
Right. Okay.
Save command is there, and
Hmm.
in the save command, you will get the factor score.
Yes.
That is automatically.
Yeah, that automatically comes in.
Yeah,
Column.
automatically comes to you.
Yeah.
But only
If I
problem,
save, then it saves in data.
yeah, but only problem is that since it is not following this loading, okay, the corresponding loading,
Yes.
then whatever your data, that will be statistically correct, but not psychologically correct.
Right, sir.
Because you cannot tell that is this is the resilience.
Right. Right, sir.
So that may not be possible. Psychologically, that is not correct, but statistically, okay, it is correct. Because this factor score has been derived out of this multiplication between the loading and the original score. So statistically, that is correct. But psychologically, that is not correct.
Okay, sir. I will do that and try to write the.
Please start writing first.
Yes.
Acha, related to the Ravindric value orientation, whether you have received the notes?
No, next we will.
Hello, Farah, have you given them notes?
Sir, I have sent them this paper of yours, and sir, they need a format also, sir. Format is not there. Report writing format is missing.
Report writing format I have given, no?
So
In the
you
Google Classroom, please check.
yes, sir. No, sir, there is no format.
Okay.
Yes, sir. They need format, sir.
Okay, so please you write down. First one is the title page. Farah, you please write down, huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And they will also write, and you also write. First one is the title page. Second is the content. Third
Yes.
is the list of table. Fourth is list of figure. Next is declaration. Next page, acknowledgement. Next page, preface. So this is the initial stage. After that, chapter 1, introduction. Introduction includes Ravindric value orientation. Introduction 1. Introduction 1.1. Here 1 means chapter. So 1.1 is your
Introduction to Rabindic value orientation, right, sir?
yeah, number 1 is introduction to Ravindric value orientation. And if it is that is the nationality wise difference, then it should be that is 1.1 will be the cultural difference in value orientation. And 1.3 will be objective. Of the study. Number 2, that is a chapter 2. Chapter 2 will be the literature review. Two point one will be the human value system. Number 2, prior studies on Ravindric value orientation. 2.3 is the research gap. Research gap.
Yes.
Next is the chapter 3. Chapter 3 will be the method. Method includes 3.1 description of the participants. 3.2 will be the instruments. 3.3 will be the procedure of data collection. Next is result 4, chapter 4. Chapter 4, first one is the 4.1, descriptive statistics. 4.2, correlation statistics. 4.3, principal component analysis. 4.4, distribution of factor score. 4.5, that is the comparison between two countries in factor score, or whatever your hypothesis, you will follow accordingly.
So, sir, 4.5 mein I'm writing hypothesis of your study.
Yeah, hypothesis testing, whatever the things are, as per their need, research objective. Up to 4.4, whatever I have told, that will be there. And 4.5, there will be
Hypothesis testing.
analysis of the results based upon the hypothesis or the objectives.
Okay.
Next is chapter 5, that is the discussion. That includes discussion about the results. That is the 5.1. Discussion about the results or findings. 5.2, limitations. 5.3, future research. 5.4, conclusion. Next will be the references. References includes whatever the references you have done in the text. Please you write all of them following the APA format. After that, there will be the appendix. Appendix includes the questionnaire and if you use any program, for example, if you use the R program, so R script will be there. With the hash command.
Sir, the last part, can you please repeat? I lost connection, sir.
If you use the R script, then
Yes.
you have to write down the R script in the appendix with the hash command. Hash command means the comment. And if you use SPSS, then you have to write down the SPSS syntax with command. Farah, what is the total marks?
The total marks is 30.
30. Okay.
Yes, sir. And 10 marks provided.
Okay. So per chapter, minimum 750 words will be there. That is introduction, literature review, method. Only in the result section, it will be 1000. Discussion will be 750.
Sir, usually.
Not the minimum, it is the maximum. Sorry.
Maximum.
Maximum 750 words will be there per chapter. And so that you can easily divide, because in the introduction only 3 paragraphs are there. So 250, 250, 250. Yes, Famida madam.
Sir, what we are writing in appendix, that R script or spaces. So usually in paper we have a section with analysis. That is it similar like what we do write in analysis in paper? That
No,
is
no, 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 madam. In appendix, there will be the questionnaire, whatever the tools you have used.
Yes.
That is this Rabindic value questionnaire. Another one is the script.
Script, okay.
Whatever the syntax, the SPSS syntax, or
Okay.
whatever the art script.
Right, sir.
So that will be added.
But we are not writing analysis in any section.
Analysis in the result section.
Okay.
Analysis, interpretation, everything will be in the result section.
Result section. Okay, sir. And sir, we with this we will link the tables, right, sir?
Yeah, the list of tables, list of figures, all things will be there.
Yeah.
Ma'am, those things you don't add in appendix. Those things will be added in result section or in the in the result section and in the method section.
Right. And word count will exclude the words in the table, right?
Ma'am, table me, you just have to write down the table title and on which page it is. What it is, the title of the list that comes in the index, list of tables and list of figures, and then
Right.
that you have to add in method and result section. So in the index section, you just have to write down the title of the table or figure.
Right, but when I am writing the result section,
Hmm.
so for in 4.1 descriptive statistics, then
Yeah.
I bracket I will say table 1,
The table 1,
two,
table 2, like
and
that you have to.
and whatever I write in the table, that will not be counted in my word limit inside the table.
Yeah. That's correct. Good. Because you are only writing the number, na? You are
Yes.
writing, yeah, you are representing number.
Yeah, but I am showing the table in that section, but that number will not count in my word limits.
Inside the
But
table, there is no word limit. There is only title which you are writing, right?
right.
Title is there, yeah. And inside the table, you're just writing SD mean. Suppose you
Yeah,
are
yeah. Exactly.
showing descriptive statistics, so you're writing only those things. So only in the explanation, those word we will count the word. Yeah.
Got it.
Which type of file we have to write?
Hello,
Word
Farah.
Yes, sir.
Can you share our project report?
So SPSS report I have, sir. So can I show that?
Yeah, you
SPSS.
can share.
Okay.
Word में लिखना है क्या भरा?
Word, yeah.
750.
MS Word, sir.
750. Maximum words limit is 750.
Yes, Amit sir, it will be in MS Word.
Yeah, MS Word. Is it okay? If you have any question, you can ask me.
Sir, if we may get any sample, I mean, if something that is, for example, I mean, we can look up to.
Yes, this is the this is the sample report.
Okay. By who?
This is by our SPSS student by Sriyashi.
Preoshi.
Yes. This is the
Preoshi is a very
title
good
of the report.
student.
Yes.
Okay, so this is the style that we are following. Farah, you make it full screen.
So this is in Google Classroom.
Oh, acha.
Farah, you can press function and F11 key all together.
Which one?
Function and F11 key.
Function and which other key?
F11. Function key, press function key and then press F11.
Okay. Let me see. No. It's not right. No. No, this is for F11 is for volume.
No, F11. Basically, it's
F11, yeah.
F11, F11, top right column.
In my keyboard, it is representing volume.
It is generally doesn't represent volume though.
In my keyboard, it is showing volume.
So,
Will you be able to see the screen? We will tell you one by one what is this report. So first you have to write down because you have to write in Word document, right? So this is the title of the report. Your name will be there. Institute name will be there. And then
After
title.
that, this part is very important. The report is submitted for partial fulfillment of the certificate course title. What is the certificate course you have? Please you write down that title. After that, you can use our emblem.
Please share this file.
Yes.
This file I cannot share. because
It
but
is
yeah,
it is
uh,
a private
this is,
property of
yeah, this I cannot share. But yeah, you can see the video for the reference because we are showing, this is recording, right? You can refer the recording. Then date of submission. And this is the contents. Now let me show you the
now
content.
you show the contents.
Page number. Abstract is will also be there.
Acknowledgement is there, list of table, list of figure, declaration, abstract. You can use the preface or abstract as you like, or you can write down executive summary. Three things are possible. You can write down abstract or preface or the executive summary. After one, next is the chapter 1 introduction. Next,
Literature.
yeah, as per her objective, she has written
So
value.
do we have the idea about I mean any literature that has been shared earlier? If there was, I'm not aware. I mean, in order to
No,
write something
we have,
around it.
yeah, we have not shared the literature review because literature review, sir, do we have?
No, whatever our literature review that we can share. That is the published paper.
Yes, sir. That paper I have sent them. So
I
that
mean,
police wala.
sir, what? Uh, I mean, for chapter 3 and chapter 4 is something that is doable. Because with chapter 1 and chapter 2, it is something that we require some context of literature
So
and the
yes, Shubham. So for that context, I have shared the paper already. That police wala paper. It is already there on WhatsApp.
that
So
one paper only.
do you want me to show you the paper again? Let me show
No,
you.
no,
Show you.
हाँ वो पुलिस वाला देखा था मैंने हाँ that paper I saw.
So that paper will solve your problem for chapter 1 and 2. You can refer that paper. Okay.
Okay, I'll try. Okay, yeah, fine.
Yeah. Right.
So this is all about the data source, data structure, method, data source, data structure, then characteristics of respondents, description of the instrument, procedure of data collection, statistical analysis. Yeah, this point I have missed. You have to write down the statistical analysis, 3.6.
Yes, sir. That is what I was asking.
Yeah. So that you can, because you are interested to use the MANOVA or PCA. So you have to describe what is PCA and what is MANOVA, everything.
Yeah,
And
in
why
my
you
data
have
set,
used the MANOVA, why you have used the PCA, what is your purpose, you have to write down. That is in method section. And
Okay.
next is chapter 4. She has merged results with discussion. And if you are interested to merge, no problem, you can do it. Here she has written descriptive statistics, inferential statistics, correlation. What she has written, interpretation and description of the findings, limitations, future research and suggestions, conclusion. After that, appendix 1, free from failure questionnaire, spacious syntax for the objectives. So whatever I have told you, she has done, but she has done in her own way. Next is the list of tables, but this list of table will be after the contents. She has done after the maybe after appendix, maybe I am not sure.
After the index. After the index.
Oh, acha. Okay.
Index.
So after the content, she has written the list of table, and next is the list of figures. So please you follow in which manner she has written. table 1, table 2, table 3, table 4, table 5, all those things. Very systematically she has written. But keep in mind that if she has not mentioned, for example, table 5, 6, cross tab table for
New challenge.
new challenge and mindset. And yeah, so she has 6A, 6B, 6C. In this manner, she has written, maybe in that particular page. And after that, this is the 7A, B, C. I usually prefer 7.1, 7.2, 7.3 like that. But it is always better to maintain the table based upon your chapter. What is your chapter number? That should be there, so that examiner can easily find out that this is your chapter and this is your table, corresponding table. Examiner can easily find out. Hara, today applied psychometric class is not there, no?
No, sir.
Okay. So we can continue.
Yes, sir. But at 9 o'clock, we have such therapy class.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the figure number. Figure 1, figure 2, figure 3, figure 4. So this is the bar plot, scatter plot. She has done all sorts of analysis. You have to do the same thing. I think she has got highest mark, no?
Yes, sir. She got the highest.
Okay, okay. She was very systematic.
This is the acknowledgement.
Yeah, in the post-graduation, she worked under my guidance. So she has understood all the techniques. This is the acknowledgement.
And so this is declaration.
This part is very important, declaration. Farah, please read the declaration.
Yes, I hereby declare and affirm that the study titled Assessment of Free from Fear of Failure Value is the result of my efforts conducted under the guidance of Dr. Devdula Datta Roy, President of Rabindranath Psychotherapy Research Institute Trust, RPRIT, Kolkata. I assure you that all sources referenced in this paper have been appropriately cited and there is no presence of plagiarism including self-plagiarism. The data utilized in the study was collected solely by me.
Amit, this is clear. Shubham, Hamida madam, this declaration is important.
Yes, sir. And in our case, our data is combined data, so we have to mention everyone's name.
Yeah, your data is a combined data that is provided by all of them.
All the participants.
Yeah, all the participants. Yeah. So that thing you can write down in the declaration. Next.
Sir, our report writing will have what type of values, sir?
Ravindric value orientation.
In the
This is the
application or
aspect.
something. Is it going to get somewhere in the books?
Which one? It's a journal paper.
It is not for publication, Dr. Amit. It is for your understanding. This is for the how to conduct the
Okay, means
research.
it does not have.
This is not for you can publish on your own, like if you want to.
No. Hello.
Huh. This is like a technical report. Technical
Okay.
report. Now you're getting.
This is the technical report writing. And we will announce it
It is
in our newsletter that you have
okay,
contributed
sir.
the technical report.
Okay, sir. Means it is just for our understanding only.
Yeah, for your understanding.
Okay, sir.
It is not for publication of any research paper in the journal. This is the standard technique for PhD guidance. I think Shubham knows it very well. Am I right, Shubham? In BHU, whether this type of training is there? Hello, Shubham. Okay, this is the standard practice.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now it is clear to all of you. Mona Lisa, it is clear. Kavita,
So we have to collect the literature review, sir.
literature review that will be provided by Farah. Farah will give you the literature.
Prior studies.
Prior studies on Rabindra's values,
So that
value
is the same in
orientation.
the test.
We have many studies. We will send you.
And sir, this cultural differences in the value orientation dot also we have to
Yeah, the
collect, sir.
value differs by the culture, value differs by the age. So that thing
So
you can
related
get
relevant
in
papers we have to collect, sir.
sciencedirect.com. You can get it in sciencedirect.com. You can get it in any book or Google Scholar. You will find,
Okay, sir.
because many people are working on the value system throughout the world. People are doing research on value. Now
Human
people are
value
trying
system
to
also, sir.
relate the human value system and health. In health psychology, value system is there.
And we have to fit the research gap with our title, sir.
Yeah, definitely.
Because our research question is fixed. So we have to fix our question into research gap.
Yeah, that is the research gap.
And description of participants means, sir.
Description of participants means how many male, how many female,
Okay.
what is their age, what is the mean age, frequency and percentage of the people from different countries, their classifications, all those things will be the description of participants. So that the examiner can find out, that is whatever the analysis you have done, that is justified. For that reason, I have given importance on 200 data.
And how much time, sir?
Minimum 200 data I wanted.
Sir?
Initially, you have to submit the draft. After that, you will submit the final report. So, Farah, can you suggest the date of submitting the draft?
Yes, sir. So, eh,
This course will be over by
there is 1 month left, sir.
1 month
So,
left.
yeah, 1 month
They
left.
will get at least 7 days, no?
Yes, but the full September they have, sir. So they can submit their draft by the 8th September.
By 8 September.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So now I'm closing.
Yes, sir.